In this video, we'll show you how to load your OTEs or commissions or hire duties payments into Workday. The process we'll use is called EIB Upload, which is Workday speak for basically getting a spreadsheet type data into Workday. When you download the template and try and open it in Excel, if you get an error that it won't open properly, you'll need to go into your Excel options and under Trust Center, then you click on Trust Center Settings. Click on Protected View. If these three checkboxes are checked, then you'll need to uncheck them. So once you uncheck them, just go OK and try and reopen the file again, and it should work. I always find the best way to do it is to open Excel and then open the file from within Excel. So if we go into Excel and we open the file that we'll send you in terms of the template file, it will look like this. We suggest you obviously save it for the pay period ending date on the end there. So there's about half a dozen fields we need to complete here, and I'll talk you through each one of those. So the first one here is the line numbering. You need to have it numbered sequentially, and typically we just do starting at 1 and work your way through, but as long as there's a unique number there. Employee ID, important that we make sure that that matches the employee ID that's in Workday, otherwise it will fail. The date format is the effective date that you want the payment to be made, and it's usually the pay period ending date. In this case, it must be in the format of the year, month, day, and we suggest that you actually copy that format and then edit it from pay to pay. At the moment we only have one reason code set up, but over time there may be others, but in this case here we're just saying that it's a one-time payment incentive. The one-time payment plans that you have to choose from at the moment are these ones here, and so you've got a OTE earning for a code for Australia and New Zealand. You have an hour-based one, you have commission for both Australia and New Zealand, and then a higher duties plan to choose from. They must be in this format as well, so don't do any editing on that. It needs to be, that's the actual syntax for that particular payment plan. Your dollar amount is the one that you'll calculate from your OTE spreadsheets, and you enter that in there. Just change that. And then the last important thing is the project work tag, and this is the campaign number that we use for billing and all other referencing where time's captured against. So most important that the project work tag for your campaign or team is in there. So when that's all done and you're happy with that, then it's a matter of just closing the file. And so we hit save, and then when you get a message like this come up, make sure you hit, in this case on a Mac you hit continue. On the Windows version you say yes to preserving it in the current format. So then we go back to Workday and we do the following. We type in launch, and we choose launch schedule integration. The integration name, if you just type in KPI, it'll come up the KPI payment import, and then we click OK. So we need to attach the file. So we do that by clicking on the value field here, clicking on here, and we hit create integration attachment. Then we attach the file. We click OK, and we click OK. You see down here there's a percentage complete, and we just give that a minute or two. You can just hit the refresh button to see how it's progressing. And here it's complete. Down here you look, so it's processed total of 9 records and 0 records have failed. So it will tell you here if it's been loaded successfully. If there are any errors in that, there will be an error file here to help you. Usually it will be things like the project ID or the date format or something like that. It will be the other common problems that we find with this. So the last thing I want to show is how to run the report to check what's been uploaded. So you type in bonus 1. So it's the bonus and one-time payments report. Put in the date that we ran it, which was today, and it will only pick up the ones in your organisation. Click OK, and you see here the one-time payments that we uploaded. You can download that into Excel if you want to do a quick cross-check, but essentially, there's the message sending it to payroll, and these are all the ones that we uploaded. So that's how you will load up your OTEs into Workday. Thank you.